Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com, situated in the ultra exclusive community, The Greens, on 0.83 acres or 36,033 square feet of prime real estate. This exceptional property offers breathtaking panoramic views of the Caribbean Sea and a seamless indoor-outdoor lifestyle. The main residence features four spacious bedrooms and 4.5 baths, meticulously designed with high-end finishes, while a separate two-bedroom guest cottage provides privacy and elegance, perfect for extended family or rental opportunities. Expansive glass doors and the large louvre windows flood the home with natural light, inviting the lush outdoors in and enhancing the open concept flow. Designed for entertaining, the formal living and dining areas extend onto a wooden deck and swimming pool area, creating an idyllic setting for sunset soirées. Located just 5 minutes from three world-class golf courses, this estate is a golfer's paradise. This property offers unmatched convenience with premier shopping, fine dining, nightlife, pristine beaches, and Sangster International Airport only moments away. Whether as a luxury private residence or a high-end vacation rental, this villa is a prime investment opportunity. Call today for a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US 1,950,000, Jamaican 307.6 million, Canadian 2.79 million, Euro 1.79 million, or 1.51 million pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.